To utilize Meijer Mperks, start by signing up at mperks.meijer.com. Upon registration, you will be directed to a page featuring various coupons. Browse through the categories to find the coupons that align with the products you are interested in. The types of coupons available will vary depending on individual shopping habits. It is advisable to select all applicable coupons. If possible, each coupon has a "Clip It" option at the bottom, which you should click to apply the coupon. Be sure to note the expiration dates and any other restrictions. Once you have clipped the desired coupons, proceed to the store, gather the items you wish to purchase, and head to the register. Provide your account number and enter your PIN. As the cashier scans your items, the corresponding coupons will automatically be applied. By following these steps, you can effectively use Meijer Mperks to save on your purchases.